What's up, y'all? It's David's Fishing and Dipping Outdoors. Today, we are going to catch catfish. Y'all ready for this? Alright, ooh, there's one right there. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to set you up, guys, see if I can get you a good spot here. Alright. Oh, that almost did not end good, y'all. Yeah. Oh. So I told you I got me a new pole, right? Well, I don't think I did. What happened, I went camping with one of my cousins, a couple of my cousins. The tip broke off. So me and my dad went and got a new pole. This ain't a tiger pole. I got a tiger reel, but it ain't a tiger pole. Basically what I'm gonna do here, put some bread. That's what I did there. I threw some bread out for him. Put some bread on my treble hook. Fold up real nice and tight. Make sure they can't really see it, and then when they grab it, yank it, buddy. Here we go. You want it far, but not too far. If that makes any sense at all. There he is. Got him. You don't want to reel it too hard because he'll swim down real fast and break the line. You don't want that. So just kind of working out a little bit, getting tired. Reel up every now and then. Pull up, pull up, pull up. You don't want him down the bottom either. See how I did there? Look at my pole, y'all. It's all bent. Oh. Hey, he's mad. When they do that, like he just did there, don't reel in so much.